How to report a profile or message on Badoo. Let's see how you can do it on Badoo if someone being rude, fake, or suspicious. Open the Badoo app and visit the profile of the person you want to report. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select block and report. Choose the reason, maybe spam, fake account, inappropriate behavior, or something else. Again, choose the option you want, add details, and tap submit. And Badoo Safely team will review it right away. And that's it. Badoo takes safely seriously. Reporting helps keep the community respectful and real. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.